So for subtracting fractions, if off to this side here, we write our steps out. It's the same idea as adding fractions. You can't add fractions or subtract fractions unless you're talking about things that are the same size, just like our pieces of chocolate. So first of all, we need to get a common denominator. So before we can add or subtract them, right now, the one size of pieces are sixths, the other size are thirds. They're not the same size, so we can't add them together or subtract them. Then second, you're just going to subtract the tops. The word for the tops are numerators. And you'll be fine. Okay. So we have to go through our counting numbers. I always start with a smaller number in case I hit the bigger number when I'm counting through them. So when I go to 3, when I'm trying to find the lowest common denominator, I'm going 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. I can stop already once I get to 6, right? Because that's already in common with the other one on the other side. So I know that my bottoms are both going to be 6. Well, the first one's already 6, so it's going to stay 5 over 6. In order to get the other one to be a 6, what do I have to multiply by? 2. Well, if I multiply the pieces that I have by 2, that's like breaking that piece in half, I'll now have 2 sixths. So then you can imagine, again, like the pieces of a chocolate bar. If you had 5 pieces of a chocolate bar, and you ate 2 pieces that were the same size, you'd be left with 3 pieces. And those pieces would be the same size as the ones you ate, so you'd write 3 over 6. The 3 says how many pieces you have left. The 6 tells you how big those pieces were. Originally, this chocolate bar had only 6 pieces. Are there any chocolate bars you know with 6 pieces? Arrow? How much does Kit Kat have? 4? Oh, man. And then this reduces to 1/2. So when we get our final answer, we're always also going to look if we can reduce. So as far as our steps, once I finish step 2, I'm finished subtracting, but step 3, we're going to reduce if possible.